Hear me out, Helldivers. I've been criticizing you shotgunners for well on a week now. I've been talking the talk. Here, let me walk the walk.
I'm in trouble.
Calling in reinforcements.
Oh, run towards me, run towards me. Give me those berserkers. Bring them to me.
On my position.
Oh, I forgot I had a supply backpack. I can just keep healing myself.
And in case you're curious, this is how it ended. And would you look at that? All because I wore the right clothes for the job. You saw what happened. I was on suicide mission, and I was getting beaten literally into the ground. And I only died once. I'm not saying you can't play how you want to play. I'm saying do it right.